Day 3.
What's up? Day 3? Day 4?
Day 4. Last full day.
Last full day here in Singapore. You have to make the most of it.
Hi! Gusto mo na ba mag-work? Hindi ka kumain?
Hindi kasi, wala promise nga, kasi need ng OTP. Nasi-send sa number namin sa Philippines.
Kasi kayo nag-cafe pa.
Wala kami magpapili sa Hindi, meron kasing
Sobra na
free
kayo.
user, 0.99 cents lang. Coffee, tas 50% off
Kasi
pag may
wala
app.
ng OTP.
OTP.
So hindi na kayo
Hindi kami na.
kumain.
Actually, nagpalamig lang kami doon.
Sa point 99. Hindi kayo gutom.
Saks lang. Later na lang. Orchard na pala to. Kabila. Ano?
Ang tawag ng Joe 1.0.
Joe coded.
Hindi. Joe. May restaurant ko yung
Kasi yung
15 seconds.
Ay, hindi. Kala ko naman ayaw nyo. Tampo.
Di ba funny? Hindi success, baby.
Ano?
Ayaw mo dyan sa mga yun.
Mamaya malalaman mo kung bakit. Ayun, sabi ko parang ganyan pa ako. Ito, hindi. Wala ako. Sige. Dapat may at least 3 minutes per tao. Kasi hindi naman isang pigil. May game ganyan. Dapat biglan. Magbibipag na. Siyempre, picture pa. Picture pa. Video, picture pa. Ganito lang.
SDE ba to?
Ano?
SDE. Anong gawa ka SDE ah?
Tapos, yung pag-up mo dun. Angat? Medyo mataas kasi yan.
Ganun lang kami sa taas eh.
Actually nga.
Kung dumaan sa taas.
Hindi yung mataas ka po po.
Pag nag-picture na tayo doon kanina sa taas tayo, no?
Review natin pababa. Baliktad.
Actually.
Okay lang naman.
Pag dito, pagpahiga.
Ayun. Hindi.
Okay lang.
Adjust na.
Ray. Ray. Pag dito.
Dito. Ito, Lord.
Vlog ba yan?
This. Tapos pagdating doon, lahat pa yun.
Wow, you're so pretty.
You're a great singer.
Please, go ahead. Please, if you hold wala akong picture. Ay, video pala daw. Sige. Video kasi mag-picture.
Ayan na, nag-iwi.
Thank you. Oh, careful.
Very attentive.
1, 2, 3. Ay, so ganda lang. Wow. Gets you with the... Wow. Ay, wow. Sis yung Jones. Wait na. Kubi na pala 2 hours, tapos may chan ka. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ang ilang daw yan. 1, 2, 1, 1, wow. Hindi nanginginig ako. Okay, go. Hindi ko na siya.
Hello po. So, Joe, how's the experience?
It's so much fun. Tara, go, 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 go.
Bigyan niyo ko ng chance. Binigyan mo ako ng chance. Go, 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 go.
Go, she's for Kimi.
Okay. Video lang? Pwede niyo tulong sa A picture? 저거 조절을可以 조절을 会跟那个现在没有人，你看。
Spider-Man. Hey. Hey. Picture. Oh, game. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Fort Canning Park. Kakatapos lang nila mag-take ng picture sa sikat na Atano. Ngayon, TikTok ano.
Ba't arte ka na lang? Kunwari talaga.
Diba? TikTokers in the wild.
Malapit, alayo mo. Alam ko na, kami dalawa na lang dito. Tapos dapat sabay kayo baganda. Ano ba? Ulit kami mag-dance na lang pala. Dance na
Ano?
Dapat parang marami. Walang pagkisa ba? Yan ah. Ako ba? Bakit?
Go. So for today's vlog, guys, we are here in Haji Lane. So we bought 2 types of pastries from the
French-American bakery.
the bakery shop, so-called French American bakery. So I bought the lemon loaf
Lemon loaf and then the sticky cinnamon one
from Starbucks. And then we tried their famous hot chocolate.
Yeah, hot
s'mores.
chocolate. Yeah, hot chocolate s'mores.
Sorry guys, it's my natural speaking voice right now because I was screaming a lot yesterday.
Why are you screaming? Why were you screaming a lot yesterday?
Because it was a mixture of it was mixed emotion. Grabe, it's so hot today. Jump pack tayo dito ngayon sa mga kapuso, no? Dito po tayo sa Haji Lane. Nakita po natin mga tao galing sa iba't ibang lugar ng mundo.
Sa mga kababayan, mga kapamilya, mga kapatid.
Amoy ulam na ba kayo?
Pwede mo ano, higo ka hep-hep. Pag may naghuray, Pinoy yun.
Hep hep!
Ay, Pinoy ka.
I'm half
Persian.
Hindi, half Shih Tzu. Sinoy. Oh, si Sinoy.
Eh parang ano,
Give them the sweet.
sino?
Sweet, si Sinoy.
Kita mo na si sweet.
Pasok na ng vintage. Vintage weekend.
Weekend.
Lane, we're going on a trip.
To Bugis, right?
Rocket ship. No,
Aren't
no,
you going to
Newton.
So we're not gonna go to Bugis?
After Newton.
Ah, okay.
So what are you planning to eat there?
I don't know. I'm kinda full right now because
You're full. Your memory full.
you're full storage.
Transformation though. So where are we right now?
We are at Haji Lane. Where are we now? We're at Haji Lane. So here, most of the stores are...
Alam mo yung intrusive thoughts, yung ang daming umaano sa utak mo, yung sabay sila nagsasalita.
Hindi ko alam kung ano ba tawag dito.
Haji Lane.
Ano meron?
Maginhawa.
It's like Maginhawa but make it a street.
Eh, Maginhawa Street.
A mini version of Maginhawa. It's
Lane lang
composed
siya, hindi
of-
siya straight.
No, I think it's a better version of Teresa.
Yeah, it has local shops, local stores. Yun na yun.
Ayun na si Sweet
And a lot of locals.
And a lot of locals.
Hey, si ano? Si Bad Boy.
Sweet.
Ay!
Sabi ko kanina, si Sweet pumasok na naka-blue lumabas.
Tara na, let's go. Sweet.
Sweet there, pa-picture ka.
Ay! Ako pala.
Tawag dyan, sweet.
Sweet do.
You do.
Ha?
There's someone there.
Hala, oy, ako may dupe na, si Sweet meron na din. Tatlo na lang kayong wala.
Now our faces
Yung sa sa How I Met Your Mother, di ba may ganun sila? May mga dupe.
Tawag dyan. Ito, tawag dyan.
couple na.
Laptop.
Wait lang sa... Hey.
It's New Jeans. You know New Jeans. What's after that? You and I for the love.
Hey.
Thank you.
No problem.
Guys, medyo pangit eh, pero okay na.
Anong purpose?
Hindi ko alam. Pero may patungan eh, so...
Hey.
Ang sabi.
Oh,
Ayan, meron dito sa baba.
Vlog. Teka, I'll show myself. Hi, vlog! Si Arte, maasar na naman ako nito. Vlog! Woo! Hi vlog! Kumusta? Mga pagod na. How does it feel like biking in Singapore?
So saya. Ang smooth na bike.
How about you? How was your biking experience in Singapore?
It's so much fun. I'm looking forward for it.
Lucky. How was your biking experience in Singapore?
I think I will recommend biking in Singapore because the alleyways and the highways here are safe for biking.
Correct. I agree. Correct. How about you? How was your biking experience
It's
here
fine.
in Singapore?
It was so much fun as compared to walking.
True, I agree. And me, my biking experience here in Singapore.
tomorrow.
I really? $5 ulit yun.
No, I'll bike towards Changi.
Hi! I like biking here in Singapore. It's much more convenient than walking, definitely. And it's cheaper, I think, than riding MRTs, buses. So, 10 out of 10.